9 must-know gardening tips before growing your own bamboo. Prepare well-draining, fertile soil. Use compost-rich, well-draining soil. Amend clay with grit or perlite. Avoid pure sand. This prevents rot and supports ground-nesting bees. Choose the right species for your climate. Match species to your USDA zone. Choose clumping for tidy growth or runners with containment. Mismatched varieties risk cold damage. Understand bamboo's growth habit. Learn runner versus clumper habits. Distant shoots indicate runners, tight clusters indicate clumpers. Plan containment, pruning, and spacing accordingly. Install containment barriers to prevent spread. For runners, install HDPE or metal barriers at least 24 inches deep with watertight seams, flared tops guiding rhizomes upward. Maintain consistent moisture without waterlogging. Water deeply, then allow the top inches to dry. Consistent moisture without saturation prevents root rot and fungus gnats. Monitor and manage pests and diseases. Watch for aphids, scale, and mites on tender growth. Attract predators with flowers. Use insecticidal soap, safeguarding nesting solitary bees. Provide adequate sunlight or shade balance. Provide at least 4 hours of direct sun or dappled light. Excess shade causes leggy culms. Afternoon shade prevents scorch. Use mulch to regulate soil temperature and moisture. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch to conserve moisture, moderate temperature, suppress weeds, and foster beneficial soil organisms. Prune and harvest strategically. Each spring, remove dead or weak canes at the base for vigor and airflow. Harvest mature culms in late winter.